So today I just wanted to take a stroll to the farm, just checking on the trees, checking on our boundaries, and again looking at the right spot to build the farmhouse. It's a project that I've set aside for a long time, and I think this is the right time 2024 will be the right time to prioritize and just have that project going. So yes, in the coming months, that is in 2024, we shall start building our farmhouse. I'm not into big spaces, so I just expect it to be like a small, comfortable farmhouse, which will be kind of like a 3-bedroom farmhouse with 2 balconies, and mostly the major thing is the balcony facing the sunset, mostly the master bedroom balcony facing the sunset, because that's a view that I would like to have every evening. So yes, the farm is flat, but we have like the higher grounds, like here where I am, it's on the higher side. So when it rains, we don't have flooding on this side, and the soil is good for farm structures. I will also have like a gazebo somewhere around here, just overlooking the trees, and something that will someone can be watching the farm animals as they graze, and as you enjoy a cup of coffee or have a candlelight dinner for the farm. Yeah, so this is what I was doing today. And of course, just thinking about how the year has been. 2023, we've achieved quite a lot, and I'm thankful to the Lord that He has seen and He has given us the grace to be here and to just have the farm ongoing, and to ensure that all our projects, and of course not forgetting the rains, and everything looks awesome. I want also to thank you for your support. It's been a long journey, and it's a journey of passion, of dedication, of consistency, and you've been here all along. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time to the channel, please feel free to check out our other videos. Mbuvi Farm is a place where you will learn about vegetable farming, goat keeping. 2024 we'll do chicken farming, and mostly layers, and then we'll look into beekeeping before the end of the year. This our cows grazing well. We have around 20 cows. I've not liked the cow project so much, because of course, if you've heard or if you've listened to my other videos, the multiplication for cows is quite it's not as fast as the one for goat, and cows need a lot of space and a lot of grass. So the input compared to if I need to sell, there's no cost benefit on cows. So 2024, we are going to just multiply the number of goats and have a goat as a major project. So yes, the bulls are looking good. We'll not be buying any more cows in 2024. Actually, we'll try and reduce the number of cows and increase the number of goats. Yes, so that's the plan. Yeah, and the trees look so good. Everything is awesome. So this is our tree project, the one from the gate. So the plan is to add another row of trees, and I've seen the trees that are doing well in our given our conditions, so we'll add more of the pine, and I will look into other local wood trees that we can plant and have all this section just trees. And of course the fence and the gate, so that's a project for majorly the gate. A gate is required, but the fence is already done and it's working perfectly, so we just need to increase the number of trees and have another row of trees so that the place can look as bushy as I need it to be. So yes, today I just felt like just walking on the farm, looking at the project, meditating on what next, and I'm happy. I must say that the God's grace is sufficient and everything looks awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share this clip if it interests you. And of course, just look forward to our next videos in 2024. It will be awesome and we are grateful. Thank you so much, and yes, have, of course, the Merry Christmas is already gone, but I'm wishing you all a happy 2024, a year of grace and a year of growth. Much blessings, and thank you so much. Yeah, bye bye. Love you so much. Yes, bye.